my channel. So I have an all-day clean with me today. I actually haven't done one of these on my channel yet, and I have been meaning to, and I have so much to clean today. So I hope you watch this video and it gives you motivation, and I hope you clean with me. And if you watch this whole video through, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more. I have so much content that I'm going to be posting. As you can see, I am super new on YouTube, so I'm still trying to figure everything out, but hopefully you hit that red button and you subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I have a lot of content that I want to do. So let's just jump into this video because I have a lot to clean today. Mostly the upstairs of my house is a disaster. My laundry room is disgusting. My bedroom is a hot mess. And yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Hey you guys, so we're gonna do a little dance before we get into this cleaning. I'm still really sick, so don't mind my voice. I didn't even want to do a voiceover for this video because I feel like I sound so bad still, but I thought I'd do one anyways. So as you can see, I showed you everywhere that I was going to be cleaning in this video. My master bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, that's where I'm starting. Also have a lot of laundry to fold, as always. I really need to get on top of my laundry, you guys, because I'll wash laundry and sometimes it just sits there for like, honestly, it feels like a week sometimes before I actually remember to fold the laundry. It's so bad. But I need to find a way to try and fold my laundry as soon as they come out of the dryer, and also that way they also don't get wrinkled. So and I need to work on that for sure, because my laundry will sit there for like almost a week before I even remember that I have laundry to fold. So yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna actually start cleaning. My room is always such a mess. Like, I don't get it. But my kids like to play in my room. So when they come there, they come with a whole bunch of mess. And my room is just always a mess. And it honestly drives me crazy. But I don't know. My son doesn't stay in his room. Like, he never plays in his room. So my daughter will go into my closet, take out all my shoes. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, I just can't even deal. I can't wait for my daughter to go into her room. I can't wait to put her room together. Anyways, my room is just always such a mess. So next we move into my master bathroom. I need to organize my drawers and the cabinets. Oh my god, it is so messy in there. Watching this, I feel like my life is such a mess. But anyways, we're just gonna do a quick clean. My counter is honestly always this messy. So we're just gonna do a quick clean. I didn't show washing the shower, but I cleaned the shower, cleaned the toilet, soaked the floor and everything. I didn't show all of that. I actually got a lot done this day. So off and on the camera. So here I already cleaned the shower and cleaned the toilet and everything already, and I was just showing you guys that it was all cleaned already. I also didn't show cleaning my laundry room because the lighting in there is like, it really sucks. So I didn't want to show that, but I showed at the beginning of the video, like I showed what my laundry room looked like if you saw that. So I went ahead and cleaned the laundry room. I was hoping to have some shelves up in my laundry room before the baby comes, but I don't know, my hubby is just, I don't know, he's like not into doing it. So I don't even know if it's gonna happen or not, but I really wanted to get the laundry room done before this baby came, because I know I'm gonna be doing a lot of laundry when this baby comes, and I would have loved it. Like I would have loved to have it done, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. So so we're gonna move into my kitchen. Oh my gosh, my kitchen was such a mess this day. Oh my lord. But we're gonna get it cleaned and looking good. I think just finished having lunch with my daughter. She made such a big mess on the floor. Look at that, like rice on the floor in her chair and everything. I had a bunch of stuff on my dining table. So much things to put away. Oh my gosh. Had some leftover for lunch. I think we went to a Jamaican restaurant and we got curry goat or something like that, and I had some of that for lunch the next day. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by clearing everything off the table and the counters, and then load up the dishwasher and all that. You guys, I have been obsessed with ice water since I've been pregnant. It's so crazy how much ice water I can drink in a day. Like that's all I want to drink. Even for breakfast, like usually I'll have like juice or something for breakfast, but since I've been pregnant, even for breakfast, like I will have ice water with like my oats, or like if I fry egg with bread or something, like I'll have ice water like instead of juice sometimes. It's just really weird, but that's pregnancy for you. So I'm just clearing up the island and then clear up the counters. I am going to be doing like a separate kitchen tour. I'm probably going to do a tour of like my downstairs because my downstairs, we've done a lot to the downstairs. So I need to make that video soon. I don't know, I feel like I shouldn't do a home tour because like my house is still so empty. Like I don't have all the furniture that I want to get. Like my bedroom, like it's so empty. The kids' bedrooms are so empty. That's why I haven't done a house tour yet, because I feel like it's so empty, and like especially upstairs, there's really nothing to show upstairs except for the rooms, because upstairs is just not done. Like I wanted to put a fireplace in our bedroom. Now hubby's saying that he does want to, I don't know, you guys, but I promised to do a kitchen tour because the kitchen is probably like the most completed part of the house, and it's also my favorite part of the house, obviously. So I'll probably do a kitchen tour and show you everything that we added, everything that we took out, all the work that was put in and everything, and explain all that to you in a separate video. So watch out for that video. If you have a kitchen renovation or you want to redo your kitchen or whatever, stay tuned for that video because I have a lot of information about that if you're interested. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss that video. So I'm just using my vinegar mix to clean the counters and clean the island. I actually just filmed a video explaining how I make my vinegar mix, so that video is coming soon. So make sure you look out for that. I love this vinegar mix, you guys. I have probably raved about it in my previous videos, I think, but I use this thing to clean everywhere in my house. Like, it is the best cleaner, especially if you want something natural, no harsh chemicals or anything like that. This is like the best cleaner. So that video is also coming soon. Like I said, make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done cleaning my kitchen. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the front of the house, and then that'll be it for this video. I didn't want this video to be too long, but I got a lot done. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe and like this video, and I hope you come back for more videos, because I do have a lot more content coming up.